There we go, we're live. Okay, do we want to go over the homework at all, or do you want to just get into the quiz?
We could just do the quiz.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Okay, do you guys have it all up?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I guess I'll read the first one. So it says, given the linear regression equation, y equals 2.0 plus 1.5x, what is the y-intercept? And that one would be 2.0, right?
Okay, then the next one. Given the linear regression equation, y equals 2.0 plus 1.5x, what is the slope? So that would be 1.5.
Okay, I can do 5. Given the linear regression equation, y equals negative 3.0 plus 0.25x, what is the predicted value of y when x equals 16? I'll solve this real quick. I got 1.
Yeah, that's what I got too.
Me too.
Okay, sweet.
Okay. And then this next one says use the data, make a scatter plot of the math self-efficiency data of the 3 data shapes introduced in the reading. What shape best describes these data? So we just have to.
What's the x and y axis? Does it say what this? Let's see, confidence. So the confidence data for the explanatory variable and the score data for the response variable.
Okay.
So let's see. So confidence is x and score is y. Is that right?
I think so.
Okay. Yeah.
So this one we're just making a scatter plot.
Yeah.
Yeah, just getting the shape of it.
Well, mine looks more linear than the other two, but
Yeah.
still not great. What is yours?
Okay, like
look like?
hot dog shape, hamburger shape, or banana shape?
I remember reading that and it sounded weird.
I would say a hot dog.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I would say that as well.
Not really any kind of shape, but okay. Here's the next one.
Okay, so wait, again, so the y-axis was the score, and then confidence was x?
Yeah, let's see. The y variable was the score and the x variable was the confidence, yeah.
Okay.
It's hard to remember those.
Yeah, I need like a little chart.
Yeah. I just, in the video, he just had them written out like explanatory variable equals independent variable equals x variable.
Oh, that's good.
Because there's 3 names for them.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can look at that.
Okay. So based on the shape of the scatter plot you produced in the last question, what can you say about the appropriateness of using simple linear regression to model these data? So to be A, that would be appropriate.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, since it's linear. Okay, question 8. How many observations are in the data?
What?
What does that mean?
Yeah, what does that mean?
Asking how many there are. There's 139 on SPSS.
Like,
Like
I don't
139
understand
rows.
that.
Yeah, I don't know. It never said anything about that in the book or anything. Maybe it did.
But I bet that's right, the 139, like, because those are like observations.
Yeah,
Mhm.
that seems reasonable. Let's put that down, I guess. So then the next question, the y-intercept. We gotta get the numbers, right? We gotta analyze.
Yeah, so we need the two numbers.
And it's regression, right? Linear dependent is which one is a dependent one again? Dependent is the confidence, right?
Yeah. I got 18.69. Wait, what are we looking for? Yeah, y-intercept.
Okay, wait. On the coefficients, so the unstandardized coefficients, we're supposed to look at that, right? So
Yeah.
what did you guys get for those? I got 1.296 and 0.042.
Yeah, that's what I got too.
Okay.
Wait, sorry. What did you get?
So on those coefficients, the constant says 1.296 and then the score says 0.42. So you got
Let me do that again real quick.
so then the y-intercept would be the 1.296, right? The first one.
Okay, how did you do that? Because I did not get the same numbers. So we're looking for the y-intercept, right? So we just need to find the b naught and the b1.
Yeah, so yeah, I just went to the analyze and then
Okay.
the regression and then
Mhm.
linear. And then I put
Okay.
in the dependent confidence rating mean.
Okay.
And then the other one, score. Is that right? And then just push OK.
Oh, I put him in opposite, I think. Let me read it again.
Okay, so the dependent.
So the confidence data is the explanatory, which is the independent. So yeah, so confidence should be independent and the score is the response variable, which is
Okay.
dependent.
Dependent is the score then. Yes. Okay.
So score should be dependent.
Yeah.
Okay, so then the y would be 18.69.
Yeah. That's what I got.
18.69, and then the slope is 12.695.
Yeah, I got that for the slope as well.
Okay. Just make that one. 18.69.
Okay, and then what's the predicted value of y when x equals 4?
Okay, so we got to go in and put 4 in the confidence rating, right?
What was the slope on that last one?
12.695. So
Okay,
to
can you
do,
walk me through this part? This part I kind of had
yeah,
a
me
hard time.
too.
Mhm.
I have the directions written out, but I'm not sure I really understand. So it
Okay.
says scroll to the bottom of the data, right?
Yeah, so on the confidence rating column, so you'll go down and put just 4 in that column at the very end of it.
So would you put it at 140 or 141? Which
Probably,
row?
probably just 140.
140, yeah, just the next one down.
So you just put 4 in there.
Yeah, and then you go up to analyze, and then regression again, and then linear.
Yeah.
And then I think you keep those things the same, right?
Mm-hmm.
Dependent is a score, independent confidence. So then push save, and then click that box that says unstandardized,
Oh yeah.
and then continue, and then okay. And then on your data view,
Okay.
it will say like pre-1 column, and then you just look at that column, and that's the number.
Oh, wow. Perfect.
So 69.4694. Well, wait, 469. Yeah, 69.469. Does that make
Wait,
sense?
which box are we looking at? The residual statistics box?
No. So the same view that you put the 4 in, just the data view, and then there's a new column called pre_1,
Oh,
and then so right across from 4, then it will
4.
say 69.46935.
Okay.
You see that?
Yeah.
So then that will be the number. So it's just better that way instead of the calculator. So we get
Yeah.
a more accurate number. So 69.469.
Okay. Awesome.
I don't know who we're on. Number 12.
I can do it. So the confidence data resulted from students evaluating their confidence for each question on a scale of 1 to 6. What is the maximum predicted value of y for these values of x? Hint, because there is a positive correlation, we can use the largest x value to find the largest predicted y value.
Okay, so 1 to 6, which maximum predicted value of y for these values of x.
So does that mean,
So 6, right?
yeah, 6 is the largest x value, right?
So then let's just put that in where it says confidence rating again, like we did last time. You put 4 in, let's just put 6 in, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then do that same thing. Okay.
I got 94.859.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay. 94.859.
So that one, they just made it kind of wordy, but they're just trying to say put 6 in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
So,
the highest one.
mhm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry. So for that, did you get 94?
Yeah.
Yeah.
94.859. Okay, so 13. Okay. How many explanatory variables are present in simple linear regression?
Is this a trick question?
Hmm. I'm sure this is one.
Yeah, isn't it just one?
Yeah, I thought so.
Because if it,
6.
we're learning simple linear and there's only 2
Yeah.
variables, so I
Yeah.
think it's one.
New
It would be the same
responses.
for 14 then, right?
Nice.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Do you want me to read this last one?
Yeah, go for it.
A company in South Dakota manufactures hard hats used in the mining industry. They record measurements on all the hats they produce for quality control and planning purposes. The measurements they collect include hat size, circumference of the hat, and the lengths of all the major and minor axes. Meaning the company wants to predict size of hat given the circumference. What is the response variable?
Is it size of hat?
Size of hat. Yeah. Because it is a variable being predicted.
Yeah.
Right? So response is the same as dependent.
Yeah.
Okay, did you get them all? Feel good about it?
Yep.
Yeah, we got 100.
Yay, good job.
Nice. Cool.
This one was a little harder for me than our last lesson.
Yeah, it's hard
Yeah.
to keep everything straight.
Yeah,
But
I still just have a hard time figuring out which is the independent and which is the dependent. But I'll go
Yeah.
back and watch the videos again just to
Yeah,
solidify that.
the independent is just the one that doesn't change. Like it'll stay
Yeah.
the same. And the dependent is the one that will change. Okay, so what else do we need to do for our group project? So I just need to turn in that portion for this week, and then
Yeah.
and then I don't know who has the next one for the next part of the project. I don't even know what it is.
I don't
Is it
know either.
Make inferences? Is it that? Haley?
Maybe.
Yeah,
I'll
I
pull
think
up.
Anyway, if you guys like, I already set up the SPSS like all the data, and it's kind of a pain to put it all in. So if you want me to just put that in a new Excel file, then I can do that.
yeah, that would be helpful.
Okay. My microphones are being really weird.
Yeah.
Anyway, I can send that to you guys a little bit later too. So.
Okay. Yeah, so Kaylee has the next portion, then make inference.
Okay.
Awesome.
Awesome. Well, thanks, you guys.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay,
Have a
well,
good
have a
weekend,
good day.
everyone.
Yep.
Yeah.
You too. Bye bye.
Bye.